In the past, people used to write letters to talk to each other, even when they were far away. These letters helped them show their feelings, like love or sadness, and they could keep these letters as memories. Writing letters made people choose their words carefully and think deeply about what to say. It wasn't as quick as sending a message on a phone or computer, but it felt special to get a letter in the mail. Letters also helped people in their jobs or when they needed to be formal. Even though we use technology to talk now, letters are still important because they help us connect with our feelings, remember important moments, and show respect and professionalism in certain situations. We write formal letters because they help us communicate respectfully and professionally in various situations. Formal letters show that we take the time to express our thoughts carefully. They're used for job applications, business communication, expressing important feelings, and leaving a lasting record of important matters. Even in our fast-paced digital world, formal letters remain an essential tool for clear and considerate communication. Formal letter. A formal letter is used for official or professional communication. It follows a specific structure and tone, conveying respect and professionalism. Tone. The tone of a formal letter should be polite, respectful, and professional. Avoid using overly casual language or slang. Format and structure. 1. Sender's address. Your address should be at the top right corner of the letter. Include your name, street address, city, state, and PIN code. Example. Sandy Sen. 123 Main Street. Any town, :123. To date. Write the date beneath your address, aligned with the right margin. August 24, 2023. 3. Recipient's address. Include the recipient's position, organization, address, city, state, and PIN code. Align this information with the left margin. Example. 2. The Chief Executive Officer. XYZ Corporation. 456 Any Street. Other town, :67. 4. Subject. One-liner, the main topic of the letter. Example. Subject. Application for the position of marketing manager. 5. Salutation. Use a formal salutation like Dear Sir. Or Dear Madam followed by a comma. Example. Dear Sir/Madam. 6. Body of the letter. This is where you communicate the purpose of the letter. Keep your sentences concise, organized, and focused on the main point. Use paragraphs for different topics. Example. I am writing to inquire about the job opening for the marketing manager position at XYZ Corporation. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute my skills and experience to your dynamic team. 7. Closing. End the letter with a formal closing phrase, such as sincerely or yours faithfully, followed by a comma. Example. Sincerely. 8. Signature. Leave space for your handwritten signature above your typed name. If the letter is being sent electronically, type your name below the closing. Example. Your handwritten signature Sandy Sen. Tips for grammar, punctuation, clarity, and conciseness. Grammar and punctuation. Use correct grammar and punctuation to convey your message clearly. Proofread your letter for errors before finalizing it. When writing a formal letter, proper grammar is crucial to convey your message clearly and professionally. Here's a detailed overview of grammar rules to follow, with examples. 1. Subject-verb agreement. Ensure that the subject and verb in your sentences agree in terms of number, singular or plural. Example. Incorrect. The team have completed their tasks. Correct. The team has completed its tasks. 2. Proper tense usage. Use appropriate tenses to convey actions accurately in relation to time. Example. Incorrect. I will send you the report yesterday. Correct. I will send you the report tomorrow. 3. Pronoun usage. Use pronouns correctly and make sure they agree with their antecedents, the words they refer to. Example. Incorrect. Each employee should submit their forms. Correct. Each employee should submit his or her forms. 4. Sentence structure. Craft clear and concise sentences, avoiding overly complex structures. Example. Incorrect. In the event that it is possible, Kindly find attached herewith the document for your perusal. Correct. Please find the attached document for your review. 5. Formal vocabulary. Choose appropriate words that maintain a professional and formal tone. Example, informal, hi there. I want to ask about the job. Formal, dear sir/madam, I am writing to inquire about the job opportunity. 6. Avoid contractions. In formal letters, avoid contractions, shorten forms of words, to maintain a polished tone. Example, informal, I won't be able to attend. Formal, I will not be able to attend. 7. Avoid slang and informal expressions. Keep your language professional and avoid using slang or overly casual expressions. Example, informal, the event was a blast. Formal, the event was very enjoyable. 8. Proper punctuation. Use punctuation marks correctly to enhance clarity and readability. Example, incorrect, the deadline for submission is 15th August, make sure you submit the form on time. Correct, the deadline for submission is August 15th. Please ensure you submit the form on time. 9. Capitalization. Use capital letters for proper nouns, the first word of a sentence, titles, and other appropriate instances. Example, incorrect, dear sir/madam. Correct, dear sir/madam. 10. Avoid colloquialisms. Steer clear of colloquial expressions or regional phrases that might not be understood universally. Example, informal, let's catch up soon. Formal, let's meet or have a conversation soon. 11. Formal request structure. When making requests, use polite and indirect language. Example, informal, give me the details now. Formal, I kindly request that you provide me with the details as soon as possible. Conciseness, be concise. Avoid overly wordy sentences. Use active voice to make your writing more direct and engaging. Here is an example illustrating conciseness in formal writing. To be avoided, the reason for my writing to you is to inform you of the fact that I will not be able to attend the scheduled meeting that is supposed to take place on the 10th of this month. Correct, more concise, I won't be able to attend the meeting on the 10th. Clarity, keep your sentences clear and straightforward. Avoid jargon or complex sentence structures that might confuse the reader. Here is an example illustrating clarity in formal writing. To be avoided, I am writing this letter to provide you with information about the new policy. Correct, clearer, I am writing to inform you about the new policy. Clear writing ensures that your message is easily understood by the reader. By eliminating unnecessary complexity and using straightforward language, you enhance the effectiveness of your formal communication. Example of a formal letter. Sandy Sen. 123 Main Street. Anytown, Cole 123. August 24, 2023. 2. The Chief Executive Officer. XYZ Corporation. 456 Any Street. Other town, Cole 56. Subject, application for the position of marketing manager. Dear Sir/Madam. I am writing to inquire about the job opening for the marketing manager position at XYZ Corporation. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute my skills and experience to your dynamic team. With a strong background in strategic marketing planning and campaign execution, I am confident in my ability to drive brand awareness and customer engagement. My experience working in cross-functional teams and analyzing market trends has enabled me to develop effective marketing strategies that align with business goals. I would welcome the chance to discuss how my expertise can benefit XYZ Corporation. Thank you for considering my application. I have attached my resume for your review. Sincerely, your handwritten signature, Sandy Sen. Remember, the above example demonstrates the format, structure, and tone of a formal letter. Adapt it to your specific context and purpose while maintaining the principles of professionalism and clarity. Happy writing!